How to fix YouTube icon option not showing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on fixing the problem with the YouTube icon not showing. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the settings on your device and simply scroll down and click on the apps option. From the top, you can simply search for YouTube, or you can go scroll all the way down and find YouTube, then click on it. Again, scroll down and click on storage option. In the bottom of the screen, click on clear cache and clear data. You can also force stop the app or disable it and then again reactivate it. By following these simple straightforward steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube icon option not showing up as expected. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.